Marcus Aurelius bore profound sorrows, burying too many children, witnessing plagues, floods, and war. Despite being betrayed by those close to him and surrounded by corruption and incompetence, he did not succumb to hopelessness. Though he felt deep frustration and pain, he chose not to blame others or resent life's difficulties. Instead, Marcus persevered. He found solace through physical activity and immersing himself in meaningful work. Amidst life's ugliness, he sought beauty and bravely asked for help when he needed it. In his meditations, Marcus wrote of rising early each morning with purpose, reminded of his duty and the reasons for his existence. Though challenged severely, he discovered relief, purpose, and even joy. Marcus would urge us, regardless of our struggles, that we all have access to the same inner peace that sustained him. It's understandable to feel weary. We all do sometimes. But we have resources within ourselves, and most importantly, reasons to carry on. Inside our souls, there is a serenity we can retreat to when needed.
Like, share, and subscribe.